Good morning students. Welcome to the virtual class of Information Technology of class 9th. Today we are doing part A, unit 5th, green skills. What is environment? We all know that environment means places, peoples and things and nature that surrounds us. It is a basic life support system. Our surroundings include two main components. First is a biotic or the non-living aspects of earth like land, air, soil and water. And what do you mean by biotic? Biotic or means living organisms like man, animals and plants. So we can say that environment is equated with nature in which physical or abiotic and biotic components of the earth supports and affect life in the biosphere. The environment can be categorized into two types, natural environment and human-made environment. What are the natural environment? Natural environment means mountains, animals, trees and rivers. And human-made environments, we all know that constructed or that is made by the humans like house, building, park, bridges, road, market, factories, books, clothes. These are a human-made environment. What is the relationship between society and the environment? The relationship between society and the environment can be defined in two forms. First is physical environment. What do you mean by physical environment? That nature provides to the man. It includes natural resources, the distribution of land and water, mountains and plains, mineral plants and animals, the climate, electrical, traditional, etc. These are all the physical environment. And what do you mean by social environment? The social environment of an individual is the culture that he or she lives in. It consists of three kinds of environment: economic, cultural and psychosocial. What is economic environment? It consists of all man-made goods like house, roads, lands and gardens, machines, domestic animals. These are all economic environment. And what is cultural environment? That includes all the customs, tradition and laws. And what is psychosocial environment? It refers to the culture and the climate of that workspace where we live in. What is ecosystem? Ecosystem is the community of all the living and non-living components of nature that are dependent on each other. An ecosystem is formed when living things like plants, animals and other organisms in an area interact with each other. All ecosystems are unique, but each ecosystem has three primary components. What are the three primary components? Autos, Autotrophs. Plants are autotrophs as they are the producers of energy. They are called producers. And heterotrophs, these are the organisms that depend upon autotrophs for their food, like animals. Animals, plants are producers, and because animal consume that plant, so they are consumers. Non-living matter that doesn't contain life but supports life in a passive way. It is the soil, sediments, leaf litter and other organic matter. Types of ecosystem. There are two kinds of ecosystem. First is natural ecosystem and artificial ecosystem. Types of ecosystem. Now see the parts. Natural ecosystem, terrestrial ecosystem or aquatic ecosystem. What is terrestrial ecosystem? Example like forest, desert, grassland and mountain. These are the terrestrial ecosystem. And aquatic ecosystem is marine and freshwater. And in freshwater, we include wetlands, lactic and lentic. And other is artificial and man-made ecosystem. Thank you.